Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the data saving mode on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen. And then scroll down to the app settings section and then select the fifth option, which is text and media. Scroll down to the data consumption section, and as you can see, you can enable the data saving mode by clicking on this button on the right side next to it. As you can see, when this feature is enabled, images and videos will be sent in lower quality on cellular networks to reduce data usage. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.